Oh, no hands, man, no hands! Let's go! Go strong! Go strong! Alright! No turning back, no! No fear! No hands! No fear! You're fair! You're fair! Alright, let's get tough, baby! Let's get tough! Here we go! Alright, count of 3. Got it? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, baby! Are you kidding me? Is this it?
No, it looks like one of the first time, but you know. Now it's just like, I don't know. You know, it's kind of like that, you know, beat your dick thing, you know. First it feels really good, and then, you know.
Okay, you can stop.
Just like,
Not the ride, but you.
fuck, the ride's over, man.
Great. That was
Yeah, for about 10 seconds.
You gonna get the DVD?
Yeah. Maybe I'll say this one's definitely. The last
You gotta
one
get
I
it
did.
anyways, man. You gotta get it.
You guys want to go again for half price, $10 each?
Nah. We're good.
Yeah.
Thank you. How's it?